In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your projects in Asana using all the key views. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account. From there, go to the home page. This is your main hub in Asana, where you'll usually see recent projects, tasks assigned to you, and any important updates. Take a second to let the page load and get familiar with the layout, because everything else we're going to explore branches out from here. Next, click on the project shown on your home screen. In this example, it might have a placeholder name, but in your workspace, it will likely be a real project, like a client name or a team initiative. Clicking that opens up the main project workspace, where you can switch between different ways of viewing and managing the same set of tasks. Once you're inside the project, look near the top of the screen for the different view tabs. Start by clicking on List. The list view is essentially a spreadsheet-like layout for your tasks. It's great for seeing all tasks in one place, grouped by sections, with details like assignee, due dates, and custom fields. If you're new to Asana, this view often feels the most familiar, so it's a good starting point. Now switch over to Board. The Board view displays your tasks as cards in columns, similar to a Kanban board. This is perfect for workflows like To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can drag and drop tasks between columns to show their status. It's a very visual way to manage work and quickly see where things might be getting stuck. Next, click on Timeline. Timeline gives you a Gantt-style view of your project, showing tasks laid out over time. This is particularly helpful for planning, spotting overlaps, and understanding dependencies between tasks. You can adjust dates directly on the timeline to keep your project on track. From there, move to Dashboard. The Dashboard view gives you quick visual reports like charts and graphs based on your project's data. Use this to see things like how many tasks are overdue or which team member has the most work assigned. Then click on Calendar to see all tasks plotted by due date. This view is helpful for balancing workload across days or weeks and spotting any days that look overloaded. Next, go to Workflow. Here you can start building automations and process flows. Click on Start Building Your Workflow in 2 minutes to begin setting up simple rules like automatically assigning tasks or updating fields when something changes. After exploring Workflow, click on Messages. This is where your project-level conversations live, so you can keep discussions alongside the work instead of scattered across different tools. Then, head over to Files. This view gathers all attachments from tasks in your project into one place, making it easy to find documents, images, and other resources without hunting through individual tasks. Click on the highlighted item you see to bring attention to that specific file or resource in context. Finally, you'll see an option called Manage Your Team's Time and Capacity. Click that to open Asana's workload area for this project. This helps you understand who on your team is overloaded and who has room for more tasks. When Asana presents a quick introduction or tip overlay, click Got It to close it and start using the workload view. By walking through these views one by one, you now know how to navigate an Asana project from every angle: tasks, timelines, communications, files, workflows, and team capacity.